Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's video, we're not in the kitchen. We're on a backhoe. And I took a 5-minute lesson from Travis to see if I could drive this thing. I come out here just to ride, but now I'm going to be driving. So y'all come on and buckle up. Well y'all, today's recipe might be a disaster. I'm going to learn how to drive this backhoe, I think.
Turn it loose. And mash the clutch and take it out. Mash the clutch, put it in a higher gear where it'll go faster. And all the way to forward. You just want to do sideways. You ain't gonna put here now. Look.
Let's see. Flash your gas?
Huh?
Flash your go? Yeah. So this is neutral, reverse, forward. Brakes, your gas. This is to move your bucket, and this is to turn it with. So, well, I think I've got my course took, y'all. Do you think a small town southern wife can drive a backhoe? We're fixing to find out. I just wanted to ride. Now I'm learning to drive it. Well, y'all, I done it. And now we're going to ride with Travis and go pick up something off of a trailer and bring it to the back. He's going to use this backhoe to move it to make it a whole lot easier. But I think this is what he's going to use to smooth this out with. We'll see. Well, this right here is what he was moving. Him and his daddy made this and worked on it a long time ago. He's going to be using it to clear this up with, what they cleared out, and get it level and smoothed out. I believe he'll be pulling it behind the tractor. He may use the backhoe for a little bit of it too. There's a lot of big rocks in there, but that's the next phase to this project he's working on. And now that we got that done, I wanted to show y'all a little clip of the garden. Look how the onions, the green beans, zucchinis, the okra are starting to grow. The peas are taking off, and I've actually even got some little baby pea pods on there already. Everything's doing good other than to my tomato plants. I got some bell peppers, some jalapenos coming, cucumbers are starting to come in. But I just can't believe how pretty that peas. I'm gonna call it a pea patch. I know it's a small one, but to me, that's my patch of peas. So now let's go see if we got any eggs real quick before we go in. Oh, we've got 3. We like one more hen laying today, so I'm gonna leave them in there till she lays. We'll come back after them. But y'all just look at them pretty eggs. Hey ladies, how are y'all doing today? Now I gave them a couple of my big zucchinis and they love them. I had a couple that I let really get too big. But boy, did these girls take care of them zucchinis. They love them. Which one of y'all hadn't laid an egg today? Go do your business. Yeah. You need to go do your business, girls. Are you pecking at her? Ah! Nope. The big dark brown one right there, she's the mama to that little one. And she was born last year, and the 2 black and white hens, they were born last year. I hatched them. Maybe you're the one that hadn't laid. Are you gonna lay me an egg, Missy? Go ahead. They've got 5 nesting boxes. And some days, I'll have 2 eggs in one and 2 eggs in another. But a lot of times, for some reason, they all like to lay in the same box. It just depends, I reckon, on what day it is. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe if you hadn't already. And share our videos. And like always, thanks for watching and happy cooking.